Yes, guys, in this video, it's going to be explaining how to complete offers. In the other videos, I showed you how to get registered and I showed you how to set your browser up in the other training video. But this video is going to be specifically explaining how to complete offers and what offers to pick. Because you're not going to focus on all of these offers, you're just going to focus on maybe 4 or 5 to receive enough credits to earn $30 payouts with our system. Okay. Click your score. That's a good offer to try and do because it gives you 2 points. You can come and do road save, which gives you 2 points. But road save and click your score is owned by the same company, so you might not be able to do that offer. You might be able to do road save and credit score report card, which will give you $15. Right there, you add it up now. And then you're gonna scroll down to Movie Flicks, which is free, and the credit value of 150. And you're gonna scroll down to Seek Verify, which is 1 credit. Or you can even do F video screaming, which gives you a credit value of 1.35. Or you can do this one too. I'm trying to find all my reps low cost offers. Or you can do video scribe. You know, you can do GameFly movie. Because like I said, guys, we're just only focusing on a few offers to get you credited and get you set up on your way to earning income with us. And like I told you in the first registration video, we're going to tell you to download the Cash App. And inside the Cash App, it's going to be a debit card. And you're going to complete the offers with that specific debit card. It's a Visa debit card. And all you have to do is download Cash App and link a debit card that you have to it. And you will receive a $5 bonus, which we will send you or show you how to do to have $5 loaded onto your debit card to do 4 to 5 low cost free offers to earn you a $30 payout with our system. So that pretty much wraps up this video as far as how to complete offers. And as I explained to you, you will not be spending any money out of your pocket to do these offers. And we do have the phone numbers to every offer. Like every offer you see on this back page, we have the phone number, the exact contact phone number to each and every last company to give to you to close out your free trial offers so they won't charge your Cash App card for any monthly subscriptions or anything of that nature. So you don't have that to worry about. And we do this for every rep that comes to our system. So for, like I said, for all your enrollments each day, say you get 4 to 5 enrollments, you don't even have to worry about getting them registered or started because we do that for you. You just focus on the 5-minute script and qualifying the callers. I'd like to thank you for watching this training, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.